iphatheka kabi makusenda nje ngalenye ilanga uyuthi uyasida kanti soyalimata ingani phela award. So let us therefore commit ourselves to building faith communities and societies where everyone belongs, everyone participates, and everyone is heard and valued. So including the excluded is not merely an act of compassion. It's not just something we're doing to check boxes. It is a service to the country. It is an investment to our collective future. And it is our shared responsibility. Thank you very much. Ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi silana. Ushito chair wathi sivuno sikhulu disebenzi dincane. Kepha lo msebenzi utawendeka. Nathi sithi masibuke emuva sithi sawenda umgamo sahamba safika la sekuthatha labanye. Ngiyathemba ukuthi sitawusebenta kahle sibavumele sikhulume sivane and come up with solutions to have an inclusive church community. Angayi njengoba Shito Mr. Makhubu angasuku lomnye enhlangano aye kamanzini kanti emasondlo akhona ingani ngoba akakhoni kuba accommodated. We also encourage people to learn sign language, learn about the different types of society. There's nothing more important than perpetually learning. It gives you perspective when uthatha netinqumo letikahle uhloniphe nalabanye. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.